Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoiner Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Now we will tell the news about the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. Dogecoin. In light of this, should investors be in a risk-off mode? Dogecoin price has been on a sad slump for the second half of 2021 and most of 2022. The reason for this could be that Shiba Inu, the Dogecoin killer, drew attention away from it during the peak mania phase in 2021. Regardless, Doge sits on a delicate level, a breakdown of which could lead to a steep crash. The crasher to not Dogecoin's price has dropped roughly 82% from its all-time high in May 2021 to where it currently trades, $0.126. This downswing is similar to the crashes witnessed in the bear market, suggesting an oversold nature of the Doge market. The current level that the Dogecoin price trades is crucial since it is the last line of defense. The volume profile indicator shows that the volume traded below $0.126 is non-existent. Hence, any move into this area will lead to a swift downswing with little to no resistance from holders. Therefore, a crash will knock Doge down to the first level of support at $0.085, which is the first place where Dogecoin investors might try to accumulate, and hence form a bottom. However, if the selling pressure is intense, the meme coin could slide lower and revisit the $0.063 support level, where considerable volume was traded in early 2021. Assuming Doge retests the $0.063 barrier, it would roughly denote a 50% crash from the current position and a whopping 90% drawdown from its peak. Adding credence to the recent slump in Doge prices could be the recent spike in the funding rate. This metric reveals the state of the traders and their outlook on Dogecoin. A moderate funding rate could mean that the sentiment is balanced. Highly positive funding could indicate greed and could also mark local tops. Over the past 2 months, any spike in funding rate beyond 0.01% was met with a selling pressure that limited the upside for Doge. The recent uptick also hit 0.01% and is currently heading lower. On a complex note, the potential crash for Doge makes sense from a technical perspective. However, it requires a catalyst to trigger it and push it past the fences. And, the key here would be the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. Over the last 3 days, this situation has escalated to a point where Russia could be considering nukes. This could be a turning point in this war, and could be a key in triggering another 50% crash. Since the Russian attacks are taking place near the nuclear power plant in Ukraine. Therefore, it is posing a catastrophic meltdown that could send the global economies and cryptocurrencies crashing. Hence, considering all these scenarios, investors need to be in a risk-off mode. Except for being a hyped-up token back in May 2021, Doge had no other real value. Also, the people who invested in it then only did it out of FOMO. Today marks 1 year since the crypto's ad. Doge, at press time, was 87.25% below the 60-cent mark. In fact, going forward, the altcoin's ROI is only expected to get worse. Upon comparing Doge's 1-year return on investments to popular cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, it can be stated that the meme coin is on the opposite end of the spectrum. Back in May 2021, Doge's ROI exceeded every other cryptocurrency's ROI by almost 10x. Alas, the same, at the time of writing, was the lowest when compared to the aforementioned cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin is one of the only few altcoins to note such consistency in the exit of investors. Active, but for the wrong reasons. In early March 2022, long-term Doge investors did show some levels of activity, but not for the right reasons. Approximately 770k Doge holders ended up exiting the market within a timeframe of just 24 hours. The void formed by the exit of these market players has left a significant impact. This can also be interpreted as a sign that it has nothing new to offer at the moment. So next news. Dogecoin traders might soon be able to swap Doge on Robinhood without network fees. Here's how. Stock trading platform Robinhood has said its new non-custodial Robinhood 3 wallet would allow users to hold the key Well, now we will discuss the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. Dogecoin is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Dogecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 70 cents if the market turns bullish. Forecasts for 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Doge will rise as there is still optimism that the currency